All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol XSPA, Xpresspa Group. And before we jump into the video and into this chart and all the information we're going to go over, I do want to state some things. And the first thing is, if you learned something new, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also comment down below feedback, which I always appreciate, or go ahead and just comment other ticker symbols you would like to see, and just anything that you want to share, anything that I missed, or anything that I don't discuss in the video that you want to add. You're more than welcome to, and I appreciate that. I always do. The more information for all investors that are viewing, they're viewing this for a reason. Either they're watching it, or they're in it, or planning to get in it, or planning to get out. But based off the information, they'll be able to make those decisions. And the more information we have as investors, the better we are equipped to make those decisions. So I really appreciate that when you guys comment down below. And the last thing, share it with your friends and share it with your community. And if you're just a viewer and you've been viewing my videos, subscribe, hit the bell so that you guys can go ahead and get notifications, because I post daily content. So let's jump into this chart here. Obviously had a bearish run, it leveled out, and the bulls took over towards the end of the day on this one, cutting it through the 50-day moving average, and it's slightly above it. So let's go ahead and move these resistance levels here to where they should be, and I'll explain in just a second why here and not up there. And we'll go ahead and take a look. And this support level slightly moved also from yesterday to today. So the first thing I want us to see as I zoom in is why here and not up here. So this was the last rejection that this stock had once the day closed. And the reason why I'm not basing off of here is because this is the highest point that it reached in the day. And it wasn't like a hard rejection where this turned red. This was still bullish throughout the process. So, and it brought itself back up, and then it just closed out here. So it's still a bullish run here on these last stair steps here, as we can see. But yeah, this is actually the next resistance level if the current resistance level I'm showing gets broken and is used as support. So we'll get into that in just a second. First thing I want to point out is the support level. The support level didn't move much more up, but it's a little bit higher, and that's $4.56 from yesterday. Important, why? Because anything close to the support level, the bears have definitely taken a toll on this one and are gaining control. If we start to see that tomorrow, there could be sell-off because of profits. There could be sell-off because of fear, but also the bears trying to tear it down. And if it gets really close to this, it is going to fall below the 50-day moving average, turning it into bearish territory. And the closer it gets to the support level, even if it breaks through it, the much more bearish it'll be, because it'll be further away from the 50-day moving average in a inferior standpoint, because it's going to be below the 50-day moving average in a much more far distance. So yeah, the bears will definitely have a lot more control if this stock is anywhere in this area. I'm not saying that they'll maintain control, because the bulls can do exactly what we saw happen here and bring this one back up. The next important thing is this closed out at 503. That was the price that this stock closed out for the day, and it closed out above the 50-day moving average, which is 495. You want to write that down. That's one of the key things here, because the tug of war is going to start bright and early tomorrow, and we're going to see who takes over. Is it going to be the bulls, or is it going to be the bears? If this gets taken over and brought below 495, I would start to pay close attention to it, because the bears are gaining the upper hand. Again, if they do gain the upper hand throughout the day, if it doesn't keep going in a downward direction, it kind of stays leveled out, the bulls can take advantage of that and bring it back up. But if the bulls were to bring it back up, they have to pay really close attention to this resistance level here. And this is where they got rejected, and it's $5.15. If the bulls are able to break through this and use this as support and stay up here and not get torn down by the bears, their next resistance level would be 525. And once that resistance level is broken, they can use that as support and they'll break new resistance levels. This is going to be an interesting one to look at for tomorrow. There was a bullish run from yesterday to today, and we'll see how this one continues to play out for tomorrow. Once again, if you guys learned something new, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video, share it with your friends in your community, and thank you so much for watching.